George Elementary was another area hit hard during Wednesday's storms. 5 News reporter Tiffany Lee went out there today to check in on community outreach efforts.
It made me feel sad.
Harmony Brink is a kindergartner at George Elementary.
The gym was crusted down.
A sight that was hard to see, not only for Harmony, but her grandmother Shannon as well.
This school has a lot of memory for us because all my boys have gone to school here. Almost every one of my grandchildren have gone to school here. I volunteered here.
Making George Elementary a second home for the Brinks, but the area itself has always been their first home.
Walking outside and seeing how much it affected the neighborhood has really taken its emotional toll on us.
As Shannon looks at a neighborhood she's known for 35 years, it's unrecognizable. But despite the damage, the people who have always made it home are continuing to help.
In less than 36 hours, we had 2 shipping containers and 4 box trucks completely full of donated goods.
On Thursday morning, Principal of George Elementary Justin Swope and community member Matt Fryer came up with the idea to get businesses and their donations together at one location. From there, they passed out food, hygiene products, clothes, and cleaning supplies to those impacted by the storms.
Springdale is strong, and it's incredible.
Yep, I'd say all of Northwest Arkansas pitched in on this.
Over the last few days, Northwest Arkansas has proven that when times get tough, you come together. This is just a look at a few of the hundreds of cars that came out to George Elementary today to pick up donations that were given by the community.
We're blessed to have all these people that love us and come together for everybody that needs it.
Shannon tells us her family has had to take off of work for the last few days to help with cleanup. So the food and supplies donated are a big relief. In Springdale, covering news where you live, Tiffany Lee, 5 News.
The event lasted until supplies ran out.